Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach after market update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Friday, March 6th. End of a killer week in the markets. Today we had several trades. I think we had 7 actually. Multiple entries. No losing trades at all. It's just an unbelievable day again. We started out short pre-market on the ES. And we took a power play short that was at 9:06 Central Standard Time, 25. That thing went down well over 15 points. And before the market opened, we were down at 12 or so. I told everybody, market's open, you're probably going to get some buy-in that comes in. I didn't know that it'd be this much right away, but um, locking your profits, and let's see what happens after the market opens. And we did hit also one, again, this is just from left to right, no particular time order. We did hit another trade in the ES. As you can see, this thing is consolidating around this 50 area, and we got long on the trade. It made some money. We got long at 52. And the thing went all the way up to almost 57, over 57, so 5 points there. Simultaneously at the same time, I actually called this trade. I said you can take it in either market. We took it here too, and it made 30-40 ticks. Same trade, same time. I said pick your market, it doesn't matter. And we said specifically that this may be only for a blip because they were going to be fighting around this 50 level, which you see they were for a very long time, and it started getting more volatile with the bigger candles, and then it slowed up again, and then so that was that. Made some profits there. We hit an S play on the NQ, and that was a beautiful trade. Again, it didn't go very far, but we weren't really expecting at that level. We were actually looking for it to hold the 80 level, and it overshot it a little bit to the downside, but it went up first. So we got long at 86. It went up to 97, 98. It went over 40, almost 50 ticks. Again, guys, these are big candles. 50 ticks, came back down. I said, let's see what it does around the 80 area. They closed below, came above. You'll see on this wick right here that they retested our 80-50 area, and boom, once it held there, we were off to the races. How the hell are we going to get long for these higher targets? Well, we had multiple opportunities via power play. 31, we hit it. We banged it at 10:03. I said specifically it should go up to 51.50. It only went to 49. 48, 50, 49. I said that wasn't enough, but however, it did go up from 31, up, over 60 plus ticks, and so we hit it again. It made some money. And then the third time I said, look, it didn't go high enough. It's got to go until it gets to that 51 area. We're going to try again. So we hit it again here. Boom, finally it went off of the 31s, and the thing went all the way up. All targets were hit. I mean, this thing went from 84.31 if you held it, and we had add-ons, whatever, over 100 ticks, over 100, 400, or 100 points, 400 ticks. And we had another trade after that. We had an S play. We actually got long up a little bit higher. It made some profits, about 20-30 ticks, and then it came down. So that would have been a break even or profits there twice on this candle. We hit it up higher. It bounced up there. And I said, look, we're going to hit it again when the candle closes. If it's still there, we hit it again. And we actually hit it at 68. 68. I said you can either wait till the candle closes or hit it at 68. So some people were in from 68, some people were in from 74. Didn't matter. And the thing went all the way up for a retest of this level here, which I had called the target. Originally my circle was like that when we were long, and then when I came back up, I said, look, we're looking for a retest of that, ideally in a perfect world, and that's actually as high as it did. Never closed any higher than my circle, and off that S play from 68, again, another 200 plus ticks. And then this was that same trade over here we hit again, up to 2030 or a break even, and that was it. I mean, we just had a ton of trades. Most people were done halfway through over goal. Great way to end the week. A lot of trades this week, big movers. And we are going to come back and enjoy the weekend and come back on Monday. So check out our free trial, www.futurestradingcoach.com, and we love to see you back in and checking out what we're doing on Monday. See you, traders. Bye.